Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Cape May, New Jersey, out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey, and Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including 28-mile rack, Atlantic City Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Buoy G, Brigantine, Water Reef, Fort River, Garden State North Reef, Garden State Little Leg Reef, North Beach Haven, Ocean City Reef, Ocean Gate, Seaside Park, Ship Bottom in the Lump until 7:45 a.m. At 6:06 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 10 nautical miles northwest of Ocean Gate to 6 nautical miles west of Buoy G, or from 7 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 6 nautical miles west of Buoy G, moving east at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Leg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles at 6:20 a.m. Coastal waters from Little Leg Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles at 6:20 a.m. Coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles at 6:20 a.m. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey, to Fenwick Island, Delaware, from 20 to 40 nautical miles at 6:50 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm remains in effect until 8 a.m. Friday morning for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Leg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. A severe thunderstorm warning